Welcome to Andhra Pradesh, a land where history meets beauty and tradition meets modernity. From serene beaches and majestic temples to vibrant cities and tranquil hill stations, Andhra Pradesh offers an epic journey through its rich heritage and captivating landscapes. Join us as we explore the top 15 must-visit places in this magnificent state. Visakhapatnam, also called as Vizag. Known as the jewel of the East Coast, Vizag boasts stunning beaches, scenic hills, and bustling city life. Visit the serene Rishikonda Beach, the historic INS Kurusura Submarine Museum, and the picturesque Kailasagiri Hill Park. Explore the ancient Buddhist sites at Thotlakonda and Bavikonda for a glimpse into the region's past. Tirupati, home to the world-renowned Thirumal Venkateswara Temple, Tirupati is a spiritual heaven for millions. Experience the divine ambience, intricate architecture, and vibrant festivals that make this temple city truly special. The journey to the temple atop the lush green hills is as spiritually uplifting as the destination. Araku Valley, nestled in the eastern Ghats, Araku Valley is a paradise of lush green landscapes, coffee plantations, and tribal culture. Explore the mesmerizing Bora Caves, enjoy a ride on the Araku Valley Railway, and immerse yourself in the rich traditions of the local tribes. Don't miss the Tribal Museum, showcasing the heritage and lifestyle of the indigenous people. Vijayawada, a bustling city on the banks of the Krishna River, Vijayawada is known for its historical significance and vibrant culture. Visit the iconic Kanka Durga Temple, the ancient Undvalli Caves, and take a serene boat ride on the Prakasam Barrage. The city's rich culinary scene offers delicious local delicacies like Pesarattu and Pootarekulu. Lepakshi, a treasure trove of history and art, is renowned for its stunning temple architecture and intricate sculptures. Marvel at the Virbhadra Temple, with its hanging pillar and exquisite frescoes, and the gigantic Nandi statue. The temple's murals narrate tales from the Ramayana and Mahabharata, adding to its mystique. Horseley Hills. A tranquil hill station, Horseley Hills offers a refreshing escape with its cool climate, scenic views, and rich flora and fauna. Enjoy the panoramic views from the viewpoint, explore the lush forests, and relax in the serene environment. Adventure enthusiasts can engage in activities like rappelling and zorbing. Amravati. An ancient city with a glorious past, Amravati is home to the magnificent Amravati Stupa and the new capital city, Amravati. Discover the Buddhist heritage, visit the Amralinjeshwara temple, and witness the development of the new capital. The Dhyana Buddha statue stands as a testament to the region's spiritual legacy. Nellore. A city with a blend of history, nature, and spirituality, Nellore offers attractions like the historic Venkatagiri Fort, the serene Pulikat Lake, and the revered Sri Ranganathaswamy temple. The city is also known for its delicious seafood, especially the spicy Nellore fish curry. Srikalahasti. Known as the Dakshina Kailas, Srikalahasti is famous for its ancient temple dedicated to Lord Shiva. Experience the spiritual ambience, the exquisite Dravidian architecture, and the sacred rituals. The Vayu Linga at the temple is one of the Panchabhuta Sthalams, representing the element of air. Situated on the banks of the Godavari River, Rajmundry is known for its picturesque landscapes and cultural heritage. Visit the historic Godavari Bridge, the serene Dolaswaram Barrage, and enjoy a boat cruise on the river. The city is also famous for the Godavari Pushkaralu, a festival held once every 12 years. A city with a rich historical legacy, Kurnool is home to the majestic Konda Reddy Fort, the ancient Belam Caves, and the picturesque Orvakallu Rock Garden. The Rollapadu Wildlife Sanctuary is a heaven for bird watchers and nature enthusiasts. Explore the history and spirituality of Anantapur with attractions like the ancient Lepakshi Temple, the serene Thimmamma Marimanu, the world's largest banyan tree, and the tranquil Penukonda Fort. The city is also known for its silk saris, a symbol of its rich textile heritage. Guntur. A city of rich history and culture, Guntur offers attractions like the ancient Amravati Stupa, the historic Kondvidu Fort, and the picturesque Ethipotla Falls. The region is also famous for its fiery Guntur chilies, a staple in Indian cuisine. Puttaparthi. A global spiritual center, Puttaparthi is the birthplace of Sri Satya Sai Baba. Visit the Prashanti Nilayam Ashram, experience the spiritual ambience, and explore the various educational and healthcare institutions. The annual birthday celebrations of Sai Baba draw devotees from around the world. Chittoor. A district known for its historical and natural attractions, Chittoor offers the stunning Horseley Hills, the ancient Chandragiri Fort, and the serene Kondinya Wildlife Sanctuary. The Kanipakam Vinayak Temple, with its self-manifested idol of Lord Ganesha, is a major pilgrimage site. Thank you for joining us on this epic journey through Andhra Pradesh. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or a spiritual seeker, Andhra Pradesh has something for everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring travel content. Until next time, happy travels!